Hey guys, oops, let me adjust this. This is just the audio test. I mean, you can leave some feedback in this video, that'd be great too, but I'm also doing it because I'm testing out something. Basically, thanks to Wish.com, I have a microphone I got, hooked up to my laptop, so now when I'm doing videos, I can do narration. God damn, why can't I pronounce that? I can do narration on videos now, which makes it a lot easier, especially for like videos for the Dark Corner. When I'm doing scary story ratings, now I can just record straight from here. Because before I was using my phone and then having to I have to record it on my phone and change it to MP3 format, then email it to myself, then download it on my computer, then upload it to the video. At least this way, I can plug in direct, just start recording directly. I mean, it's a decent little mic. I don't forgot how much. I think this mic was like $5 actually. I don't know. It was something ridiculously cheap. I remember that. But yeah. So testing this out. So far it's working pretty good. I mean, the computer I'm using is still a piece of shit. But it's I'm upgrading more. So equipment is slowly upgrading. Eventually, I am trying to get a new laptop for better video editing, especially because I'm working on the R War video. That I'd like to have a better piece of equipment to work with on that, but I'm going to try to see how much I can do with this one still as well. I mean, I recorded an intro, which I might have to edit up a little bit. But yeah, this is going to make things a lot easier. This is going to change the game a bit. I wonder if I can do ASMR with this. Hey guys, are you getting the tingles yet? I know I'm not. And now I'm gonna do some dappy shit on the microphone. Oh shit, guys, I almost knocked the microphone off the table. Did that give you the tingles? It would have gave me tingles because I would have dropped it on my foot. Actually, this microphone's not even that heavy. It's like really, really, really light. So yeah, I mean, it's not high-tech name brand equipment. But, it's alright. It does the job. So this is going to be a lot of fun. I'm doing a lot of fun things with this. So like I said, my equipment is slowly upgrading. Things are working out this year already. I mean, I have a newish camera, which is better, insanely better video quality, better photo quality. I have the microphone now, and hopefully within the next month or so, I will have another computer. I'm hoping. I'm trying. So let's see where that goes. And yeah, that's it. Like I said, I just want to do this real quick. Thank you for listening to me babble into a microphone, just testing this out. Let me know what you think below, and give me suggestions now that I'm able to do this. And hey, also let me know if I should do an ASMR video. Come on, guys, let me know. Let me know if you want me to give you the tingles. Ah. Oh, whatever. I don't know what the fuck that was. Anyway, thanks for watching or listening or whatever. And I'll see you guys later. Hi, cat. You want to say anything? No? Don't chew on the cord, you little asshole. I gotta go, guys. Bye.